Hey, I'm here. Sorry, man. Between the
Yeah,
meetings.
no problem. Yeah,
Hey, can you guys hear me? Okay.
yeah,
Hello.
I can hear you. Yeah,
Awesome. Awesome. Hey. Um. Yeah. I just want to introduce myself, man. Um.
sure.
I'm from Hyderabad. Okay. I live in USA. Okay.
Okay,
And I have like 15 years experience. Okay.
okay,
And I'm into IT for almost like 15 years now. Uh,
okay.
yeah. Yeah. I
So, what
worked
kind
as
of role you played? Yeah, I mean, what kind of
yeah.
technology or role you have played?
Yeah, I worked as a Salesforce business analyst, okay, and CPQ
Um,
business analyst, and
okay,
all my life, like most of my experience is on functional role, okay,
okay,
and it's a very high time that I need to be like AI is taking over, okay, and which I can't catch up for sure, okay.
yeah,
But what I observe is mainframes is the place where at least we can survive. Like people are lack of experts outside world, okay, and everybody is looking for mainframe developers now. They are in demand.
oh, great. Yeah, it sounds good. Okay.
Uh, have you heard about it or no?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, I mean, this is a news now. So basically, yeah. So after the inclusion of AI, so everything like, see, mainframe is a very scalable and robust system, and it has a 99% of
Mhm.
uptime. So it
Mhm.
is very difficult for anything to, I mean, any server or any other technologies to, work
Adapt.
as mainframe. Yeah, adapt as like, I mean, what mainframe is doing. So basically, there are many projects already we have, and we have seen they are trying to migrate from mainframe to a different AWS, Azure, and all those server. But most of the migration projects have failed. So basically, that because obviously, I mean, mainframe has a server which has a 99% of uptime, and most, I mean, in the world, I mean, I think top 70% banks and insurance companies, and there are some retail
Yes.
companies also are using those, I mean, mainframe things. And the why people, I mean, why, as you told, why it is on demand, because there is a reason. I don't know whether you observed or not. So whoever the older people who in 1960s, 1970s, they are
Mhm.
retiring, and the knowledge also
Exactly.
with them are getting
Retired.
washed out.
Exactly.
Yes,
That's
washed
what.
out.
That's what. And like one of my known friend. Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
he works in mainframes. He trusted mainframes for a very long time. Now he's in high demand. Now he
correct,
joined a new company where the old guy, he worked for 40 years and he retired now, and he
correct,
gave all his knowledge to him and retired. And even though he's retired, the company is not leaving him. Okay,
correct,
please work
correct,
from home like
correct.
1 hour, 2 hours from home and do
Correct,
it.
correct, correct.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that demands will be there always. So,
exactly.
so
Coming to my skill set, man, what's my
yeah,
requirement is, you
yeah,
know, um, you know about Salesforce, right? You know about,
correct,
it's a cloud technology, and we
correct,
see everything UI based,
correct, correct,
right?
correct. Yeah,
Like you'll see that exactly what's happening and everything, right?
correct,
On the UI
correct.
part. But
Yeah,
how it mainframes? Like, do I get a practice? Like in Salesforce, I get some Sales Cloud
correct,
trial version where I can practice. And
correct,
see, I need to bluff in such a way that from 15 years, I'm working in mainframes. All your
correct,
knowledge,
correct,
I should gain in 30 days. I don't know.
correct.
I know it's highly impossible, but
Yeah,
at least 50% of your knowledge, I should
sure,
gain. Yeah.
sure. So,
That's main thing. Yeah.
yeah. So my okay. So before we start anything, so my question is, what kind of? I mean, see, in mainframe is a very vast area. Okay, so
Yeah.
mainframe, it's not only a COBOL and JCL. It has many other components. So I have a experience. So I have a very unique experience that I think very rarely you will see. I know mainframe development and mainframe admin and also mainframe performance. So
Yeah.
there are very people, few people in on earth, I'm sure, who have worked in all area of mainframe. So in my initial career, 10, 12 years, I worked as a developer. Then I moved towards administration. Then I moved towards performance, capacity, and performance. So all area I have touched in mainframe. So, but
Mm-hmm.
now I want to understand what is your major, interest to learn? Is it on development or is it on capacity performance and administration? It will be a huge, complex thing, so it is not possible to complete even in 6 months. So it's a very vast area. So, but
Mm-hmm.
development thing you can learn. I will not say 100%, but at least 50% you can learn if you put your effort within 30 days. So
Mm-hmm.
because I have given training to many organizations already in like past few years. So like Cognizant, TXP, and IBM, many other organization I have already trained them. So yeah, so mostly they are junior, they are very freshers. They are just college pass out. So yeah, so it was a nice experience to teach them, and as well, it is when you are teaching, and it is also a very good thing to learn something which you have missed in a very rare thing, but
Yeah,
you have missed something. So that is my
exactly.
passion. So that is my passion for as a
Yeah.
trainer. So yeah,
Okay,
so
coming to my part here,
yeah,
I want you to do some kind of a homework here, if you don't mind. Like,
sure,
if you can open any US websites, like example, let's do one quick thing. Okay,
yeah,
whatever easy for me to get a job. Okay, that's my
okay,
main intention. Okay,
okay,
you're looking
okay,
at my screen, right? Okay,
yeah, yeah, I
this
can see
is
your
at dice.com. Okay, I'm searching
yeah,
for mainframe. Okay,
correct, correct,
and if you look for my location, okay, I'll put something.
yeah,
Okay, I'm looking for full-time jobs, man. Okay,
correct, correct.
you see, like 8 years, I can manage for sure. Okay,
Yeah, JCL
Eight-
DB2 you can learn easily. JCL DB2
yeah,
and COBOL, I think you can at least 50 to 75% you can learn within 30 days if you put your
ex-
effort 100%.
exactly. Yeah, 100%. Of course, this is my going to be my bread and butter, man. Everything.
Yeah, yeah.
See, you're talking about admin is support engineer, right?
Application support engineer. Okay, design is seeking software, space response, coding testing. Okay, this is also a kind of development work, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Application
that
support,
means I'm
mainframe
looking only for
developer.
developer here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so basically, I can see all are related to mainframe developer role.
Mm,
So yeah, so that will be good for you. It will be easier. To learn development, it will be easier than administration or and other stuff.
agree,
So
agree.
yeah, yeah,
Slowly, I can learn from administration whenever required. Okay, you can
sure,
jump onto the application and
definitely,
see like, how do we
definitely,
housekeeping is important, right? Admin stuff is
definitely,
like housekeeping. Like,
definitely,
what I understand is you should know about DB2. Okay,
correct,
we'll write joins, tables, and get the
correct,
data from the bank. Okay,
correct,
required
correct,
bank, put it in
correct,
main to run it. Right. Okay,
correct, correct,
that's what I understand, like a high level. Okay.
correct, correct,
Now,
correct,
once that is developed and when we run in mainframe, then whatever application needed, like ETL or anything, that can
correct,
take from mainframe, right?
correct, correct, correct,
Integrations like that stuff. Okay,
correct,
and
definitely,
yeah, and learn DB2. I mean, like, of course, the commands you are very much familiar. At the
yeah.
same time, housekeeping also required, right?
Mhm,
uh,
mhm.
like that admin activities wherever required, if you can give me
Mm,
that notes, I will
correct,
record it and
correct.
and make a notes of each and everything. Now my next question is,
Yeah,
how do I, if I go to company, right? Okay, if I
correct,
go for an interview, they ask me to write a code or something like that. Okay,
correct, correct.
for that I need some hands on. How can you help me? Do we have any simulators like that?
That is a big challenge in mainframe. So yeah, so that is a very important part. Thanks, you brought that up. So basically, mainframe, there is a mainframe emulator, but emulator needs to connect to the server. Okay, so
Hmm.
there is a problem live. So basically, IBM has a software. IBM has a server. So because IBM is a they are the inventor of mainframe. So basically, they owns all the mainframe server. So any
Yes.
training companies or anyone actually get a hands on. So they have to purchase. some license to, I mean, some server license, all those things from them. So that
Mm-hmm.
is my question. So if you need hands-on, that is my question. How will you do that? I mean, because for hands-on, it is a licensed server. I mean, I can give you that. I mean, I don't have that. Obviously, I'm a trainer. I'm not
Can you tell
a.
me how much it cost me, like hundred, like in dollars, not thousands, right? Some hundred
Uh,
dollars, four
I
hundred
can
dollars,
give you correct. I can give you contacts where you can. I mean, you can ask. I mean, there is a trainer. I think he's also from Andhra or Hyderabad. His
Mm-hmm.
name is Venkat. Okay, so he is actually a trainer. Uh, he is actually one. I mean, owner of academy, Mainframe Academy.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
basically, he has all these contacts how to purchase and what to, because he
sure,
has a
sure.
lot of contacts. So basically, I'll give his number. You first talk to him.
Mm-hmm.
If you feel okay, it will be. I mean, you will get it, and I mean easily, or whatever the minimum money you can with that you can get it. Then it's
Yeah,
fine.
exactly. I
Yeah,
have one question here. Okay.
sure, sure.
Let's create a WhatsApp group together.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And I don't know the technical details of emulator, right? Okay. What I
correct,
need, how to practice, and everything. Okay. As
correct.
a student, Anand needs so and so
Oh,
emulator and
oh,
some
oh,
kind of minimum server capacity. This one, this one, this
correct,
one. Can you tell
correct,
me how much it costs for him?
correct, correct. I'll do
Like
that. Yeah,
for 1 month, 2 month access or something like that. Okay.
sure, sure,
And
sure.
if you can, yeah, that is technical stuff, and I'll get prepared and I'll get the price. Yeah,
Definitely. Yeah,
yeah, that will we
definitely.
can do. I'm sure I want to work with you, man. Okay.
Yeah, not a problem.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Please,
let
yeah,
me.
help me in that, and at the same
Yeah,
time, yeah, you
yeah,
need to make me, at least minimum expert that I should hear.
sure.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Like,
just if you don't mind, can I share my screen? Just
yeah, yeah.
if you
Go ahead, please.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
if you can stop sharing, yeah, I'll share my screen
I don't know
because
how
I
to
want to
stop.
see. I want to show you the emulator. Yeah,
Okay, cancel later. Yeah, cancel. I
yeah,
did cancel. Yeah.
yeah. So let me share my
Mhm.
screen. This is one emulator.
Mhm.
So the thing is, if you see, I can connect to the server, but I don't have the ID because they will not provide me the ID. This is the IP I had because I used to train them. So I can connect to the server, but without the IP, I'm sorry, without the user ID and password, because they will not give you the user ID and password without money.
Yeah, yeah.
So for every user, they will charge something.
Mhm.
So that is the thing.
Something
So
means like you should have some amount in mind, right? Is it 10,000, twenty
correct,
thousand rupees?
correct, correct. Some amount is there. So suppose this is how you log in. So this will not
Okay.
work. The password I don't know. Obviously, they will not give me the password.
Exactly, exactly. That's how it
So
goes.
yeah. So this is everything is very costly there. So anyway, so I'll ask Venkat if he can provide you, and he can. I'll direct him to. I mean, to your number.
What's
So
the phone number? I can ping you right away.
yeah, my phone number. You can note it
Hello,
down. It's
hello.
Mhm.
But you can't share your contact details, please.
oh, okay,
Oh,
okay,
okay,
okay.
okay. Okay.
Sure.
I get it.
Yeah,
Oh, no
yeah,
problem.
yeah,
Yeah, like,
HKR
see,
team will reach out to you.
okay, okay.
yeah, yeah.
And yeah, the only problem here is I want to go with the training. That's not a big deal. Okay.
Okay,
And,
okay.
just listening is not important, right? We need some kind of
Yeah,
practice.
correct, correct,
Yeah, if you
correct,
can help me to get that access for that,
correct,
okay.
correct,
And
correct.
only then we should be able to continue the training from day one.
Correct, correct, correct. Definitely, I'll try to give
Mhm.
you a contact, but yeah, let's see
Mhm.
if I can. How fast I can give you that. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, can you tell me whoever is talking, lady? What's your name?
Yeah, Mayuri.
Mayuri. Hey, Mayuri. Okay. Yeah, that's where we are at. I'll share the number. Like, are you in that like same group? Can I give the number here in the
Um,
WhatsApp group? Um,
no, actually, I'm not there, but you can give
mm,
maybe Mohsin sir is there, right, in that group?
yeah, it's his phone number ending with 3452.
Yes.
Okay. Mm. Yeah. Now, can you tell me, like, can trainer can find out, like, you know, that's the main thing, right? About the
Hmm.
practice, purchase of the training environment.
Correct. Yeah.
Mayuri, can you help me? Mayuri, you can take my
Ye-
number. Yeah, at least I'll give my number to you. Okay.
No, not now.
Mm.
Uh, team will reach out to you.
See, I want it very high. See, if you can't take my number in next 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay. I don't want to wait for too long because tomorrow the trainer wants to reach out to Venkat and get that sorted out. I can't wait for
Okay,
days.
so if the demo is done, trainer can leave this call.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sure.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay, then
I'll,
we'll talk to you then, Anant. Yeah. We'll talk to you
yeah, no
later.
problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.